Okay, so we're going to do something a little different tonight. No food, well there will be food up the top, but we're going to go up this King Power Sky Bar Tower, 78 floors, with a glass observation deck on the top. Yeah. Just go. Thank you.
Hello, Sawadee. Welcome to High Speed Lift. We are going up to level 74 in 50 seconds. Enjoy the video.
Pick up the lift.
Here's a popping now.
This way. Welcome to level 74. This floor you can walk around to see the view, and you can go up by escalator on the left hand side.
เนี่ยค่ะเราสามารถดูได้360 องศาตอนที่แทบบอกเนี่ยถ้าเห็นเป็นทะเลแทบว่าจะบอกนะคะใส่
That's incredible. That's the hotel I'm staying in right there. That's just an insane view. Look at that. Views don't get any more spectacular than that. This is the 74th floor. This is the experience hall with a bit more information all around on what there is here. But I'm going to go up to the 78th, which has got the glass observation deck as well. Now at 314 meetings I've just been on the glass deck. They didn't let me take my camera on, but my legs literally like jelly going on. I couldn't quite force myself to go on it. It's just crazy. Just all the hotels that look really high are just like miniature when you're looking over it. It's just, yeah, it's just. There's obviously nothing higher in the city, so you can see the tower there that was in the Hangover part 2. and even it looks low, a lot lower. It's not. You can literally see the river for miles all the way down. What an experience. So there's the glass observation deck there. That's at the highest point they've got. Chairs that you can sit on. Really cool. Far end here. After a spectacular end to the day, I took the BTS from Cheongnonsi, which is a walkway directly into the building, back to Silo. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks again for watching.